Praise to Lord Jesus Christ. Welcome to my blessing channel. I am Binabala. This time I am talking about a Christian contribution in world, in India. Christians made great contribution in Kerala, India and total world in social services, health and education sectors. Most modern type of colleges and universities started by Christians. Every field of life there is great contribution. There are so many dedicated priests, nuns, and there are so many ordinary people also there. I will tell briefly. In science, so many people are atheists, but there are so many believers also. Louis Pasteur, Isaac Newton, Robert Boyle, Kepler, Gregor Mendel, father of genetics, was a Catholic priest. E.C. Sudarshan. Actually, his origin India, a scientist, Kerala. First Malayalam font introduced by Catholic priest George Palasheri found in Malayalam. Catholic priest Father Damien sacrificed his life for saving leprosy people in AD 1889. Australian missionary Graham Staines in India, Orissa, sacrificed his life for leprosy people. He and his two innocent children are burned alive by religious fundamentalist people in AD 1999. And another priest, Catholic priest, Stan Sami, also died in jail without getting any proper humanitarian consideration. He died in jail. Mother Teresa also worked among leprosy people. Maximilian Kolbe, a Catholic priest, sacrificed his life for saving another person while he was in Nazi concentration camp in Poland. Sister Rani Maria from Kerala. Sister Rani Maria from Kerala, a Catholic nun, sacrifices her life for Adivasi people in India, in Madhya Pradesh. He was working with Adivasi people for uplifting them. Landlords became angry. They appointed Samarinder Singh to kill sister. He stopped the running bus and killed her by knife. Later he repented and came to Kerala, visit her parents. They forgave him. If people are getting educated, nobody can make them slaves forever. A film released recently regarding life of Sister Rani Maria, Face of the Faceless. Another lady from Kerala, Mercy, known as Dayabai, worked among Adivasi people of Madhya Pradesh for uplifting them. Christianity in Kerala from the beginning stage itself, traditional Suryani Nasrani, mainly Syro Malabar, Malankara, Orthodox, Jacobite, Marthoma, Knanaya, Kaldaya, Christians done first independent strike in Indian subcontinent against foreign aggression. It happened in AD 1653, known as Coon and Cross Oath. In Malayalam it is Konin Kurishu Satyam, against Portuguese people. When Portuguese people came to India, they wondered by seeing Christians in India. Language used by Nasrani people was very strange to them, Suryani. Nasrani means followers of Jesus of Nazareth. That time in Europe, Catholic Church was using Latin language in prayers. Nasrani people are getting advice from Syria. In between, priests used to come from Syria also. Portuguese people want to control Nasrani people. They want to shift control from Syria to Vatican, Rome. First they tried to block priests from Syria, banned old Suryani books of Nasrani people, tried to replace Suryani with Latin. Nasrani people became angry. They gathered in Mattanjeri, a place near Cochin, Mattanjeri church, tried to tied a big rope on cross, and all lay hands on rope, made a pledge oath. They will not cooperate with the Portuguese people. This is Conan Cross Oath. India, so many independence strikes started with the religion, but this strike nobody is considering as independence strike. Until that time, there was only one Christian group in Nasrani Christian for Christian in India, Kerala. Christian group divided into two based on language and power centers, Latin and Suryani. Some people accepted power of Vatican, Rome. Some people remained with Syria. After so many countries came, so many missionary people came, so many people accepted Christianity. Outer world division happened in Christian group, so division happened in India also. In Kerala, caste system became dominated in AD 7th and 8th century only. First century there was no caste system in Kerala. Proof is Nasrani Suryani Christian. Caste means particular job for particular caste. Nasrani people are doing all type of jobs before also, now also. Any Nasrani can become priest also. We can see caste system among Christians after Portugal arrival. Because by 7th and 8th century caste system dominated in Kerala. Nambudiri Brahmin became Christian is partial truth only. In 1st century, all sections of the people accepted Christianity. That time maybe few Brahmins also accepted Christianity. Brahmins accepted Christianity. Main thing is Jew people came in the BC time. Levi priest of Jew become Brahmin priest in India. But presence of Brahmins is very less in 1st century in Kerala. They are dominated by 7th or 8th century in Kerala. In AD time, when Christian missionaries came, only upper caste people having freedom. Remaining majority people are living like slaves. All knowledge written in Sanskrit, denied study to common people, misinterpreted knowledge and made common people slaves. Christian missionaries made life to most Indian languages, made new languages, made dictionaries and grammars. All sections of the people got chance for education in their own languages. So many leaders movements started in India. In AD 1947, India got freedom. In AD 1875, Samuel Henry Kellogg, by mixing 12 Central Indian dialects which have no writing, made Hindi language. William Carey, social reformer missionary, in AD 1817 made Kannada grammar. AD 1812 made Telugu and Punjabi grammar. AD 1805 made Marathi grammar. Joseph Besky, Veerava Manure simplified Tamil so that common people can read. Joseph von Sommeren Taylor in AD 1867 made Gujarati grammar. Herman Gundert made Malayalam dictionary. Saint Chavara Kuriakos Elias, Catholic priest from Kerala, implemented decision if there is church, Palli in Kerala language Malayalam, there should be school, Pallikodam in Malayalam language. By this decision, Kerala became literate very soon. Then so many leaders movements started in Kerala. Christian missionaries done educational revolution in most northeastern states. And one Catholic priest, Stan Swami, died in a jail without getting any proper humanitarian consideration. Main freedom fighters from Kerala are T.V. Thomas, A.J. John, P.T. Chacko, T.M. Varghese, C.M. Stephen, Wellington, K.M. Chandy, Cherian Chekappan, D.C. Koyamuri. He is a founder of D.C. Books also. K.C. Maman Mapla, founder of Malayalam Manorama paper also. Akkama Cherian, known as Jhansi Rani of Travancore. Anima Screen, Rosama Punnus, Advocate George Joseph. He was a Congress delegate, went to Britain for discussion. He participated in Vaikam strike also for entering lower caste Hindus to temple. But after advice from Gandhiji, he left. T. Titus participated in Dandi March with Gandhiji. Freedom fighter from other states, Kali Charan Banerjee, Harendra Kumar Mukherjee, West Bengal, Madhusudan Das, Orissa, Joseph Baptista, Narayan Vaman Tilak, Maharashtra, Joachim Alva, Jerome A. Saldana, Karnataka, Amruta Kaur, Uttar Pradesh, J.C. Kumarappa, K.T. Paul, Tamil Nadu. Pandita Ramabai, great social reformer, mainly for uplifting ladies. Her great contribution and knowledge in AD 1878, Calcutta University called her Pandita. Catholic priest Jerome D'Souza, writer, educationalist, member of Indian Constituent Assembly in AD 1946 to AD 1950. Professor Sejavarki from Kerala was education minister in Madras Rajagopalachari ministry. John Mathai, first railway minister in independent India, later became finance minister also. He is the first chairman of State Bank of India. South Indian Bank founder is M.C. John. Federal Bank founder is K.P. Hormis. Victor Meneses is famous Indian banker, Maharashtra. He was choice vice chairman of Citibank. AVT Group founder A.V. Thomas. He is the first Indian to start plantation company. In Gujarat, Dr. Varghese Kurian from Kerala done milk revolution by Amul Dairy. Vijay Kurian is main person behind the successful completion of Nedumacheri Cochin International Airport. Justice Kurian Joseph. There are so many IAS, IPS people from Kerala, including Alphonse Kannandanam, former central minister. Anna Pamela Matthew, she is the chairperson and MD of famous OEM India Limited company. It is famous. There are so many business people. MRF also there. Finance, Muthoot Finance, and other companies, famous people are Kochoso Chitlapalli, V-Guard, Alucas, Jos Koch Manor Jewelers, Kitek Sabu. Joseph Murken, he's famous with his Murken Paddy Field. Famous. There are so many dedicated farmers also from Christian community. There are so many nurses throughout the world from Christian community. Anna Malhotra is the first lady IAS officer. Anna Chand is the first High Court judge. There are so many famous people in sports also. Mary Thomas win the first world medal in amateur athletic boxing championship. He won 6 times. Jimmy George is a great volleyball player. Anju Bobby George won bronze in long jump with the world championship in athletics. Tachil Mathutaragan was a minister in Travancore Balaram Varma ministry. He was a big businessman also. He helped the king financially for fighting against Tippu Sultan also. But Veluthambi Dalava, after capturing power, put Tarakan in jail. Thomas Corin is the richest CEO of Indian origin, CEO Google Cloud. Rubal Chandi is the author of bestseller book 90 Days to Life. There are so many business motivational ideas also from Mr. Rubal Chandi. Mr. Sannivarki, GEMS Education as Global Educational Management System, one of the world's largest private school operator, started in Dubai. Latin Christian community in Kerala done great contribution to India. They give their church land to ISRO Tumba Space Research Center. And Dr. Tessie Thomas is from Kerala. He is a missile lady, known as missile lady. May Lord Jesus bless you.